Kawadhi wechego mag thieth en ni jatend migao mar thieth e kaonti ma Migori Marbel Chanzu ojiwo jodak e kaontino mapok ondikore okumba mar thieth mano mar SHA mondo mi ondikre mondo mi giyud thieth e yo mayot. Chanzu owacho ni atamalo 42 mar jodak ma Migori ema bende osendikore ne okumbano mar SHA.
We are at 42%, but we are requesting for everyone to register in SHA. SHA is very, very important for us. In fact, SHA is not like NIF that used to pick a few conditions to cover. SHA is covering everything. Every treatment you go and get in a facility, SHA is covering for us. So
Omedani ogibi dwaro neno kaidino ne oganda e ute thieth e kaontino kaluwore ni oginyala chulo omenda mag thieth to SHA chiwo thuolo ne chudo makamago.
We are requesting everyone to register so that we can get these free services and then the government pays us back so that this money in turn is used to better the services in our facilities. So let people register. And we want to also commend our CHPs. Our CHPs are doing a very commendable job and we are promising to support them.
Kaluwore gi weche mag mibadhi mabende sani